welcome to our company. So our company is Reinforces. So let's take a look in my office. Come here, bro. So at this one we have the wild door, so everyone can go through here. Yeah. And after you come here, you will see the living room. Yeah, everyone can take a rest here, can doing the work here. Also, we can ju- just take a break here. We have the Netflix service for everyone. We have the ramp, a desk, the sofa. So, but the next room, let's take a seat, bro. Come here. So this is my kitchen room. Everyone can eat a snack, eat a food, eat something at this room. You can see this room have a very design detail. We have a lot of arts and so minimal style, so everyone can feel comfortable about it. So everyone feel free and feel breathable. So after this room, we can see this storage. Yeah, the storage room. Every employee can have the thing to correct here. Everyone can stock the things here, and it's a I think kind of big room. So also we have the water service for the employee. So first one we have to take a bottle. Yeah. After you take a bottle, take a water right here. Yeah, and you can take a water here and drink it. So after this room, let's take a seat. So we have a television over here watching a Netflix. But this highlight room is a rest room. Everyone can take a rest. Here we had a very comfortable sofa here. Everyone can take a seat and sleeping. Here we have a desk. And also as after of the room we have the stay focused room of everyone who want to like a quiet room. This room is the his room for you. Also, after this room, we have the game center room. Everyone can feel fun to play here. So this is the first arcade game. Yeah. After this room, we have the last room of the first floor. The toilet, bro. You can come here. Take a look here. We have the we have the Pablo. So do something in the toilet, bro. And behind this room, you have the elevator. You can go to the second floor. Come here. So after you go here, you push this button. You will go up, bro. And the second floor, Pablo will tell you how about it.
All right, next is our office. Our office, there's a total of 7 workstations. As you can see, each station is fully equipped with 3 monitors, a mouse, keyboard, and ergonomic chair designed to support the back and ensure comfort during long working hours. A painting and a desk lamp along with overhead storage for organizing your personal items. And this office taste is tastefully decorated with artwork, creating a pleasant and welcoming atmosphere. Warm lighting is used throughout the space to provide a comfortable and relaxing environment. And flowers are carefully arranged to enhance the overall beauty of workspace. Here, the state for exhibition. All right, let's move on to our meeting rooms.
And the next one, this is our meeting room. The room has a meeting table with comfortable ergonomic chairs. It is decorated mostly with natural elements, creating a relaxing atmosphere. There is also a large TV screen that is easy on the eyes. Let's go to the parking.
Next, this area is the parking lot, which we design to be easy to use. There is enough parking around the building for staff and visitors, including EV charging and parking for people with disability. The area has CCTV and security guard, and a skywalk that connects directly to the office.
Here is a relax zone, a place to rest and unwind. There are cute cat, a fountain, and swing, and plenty of tree, making it perfect of relaxation. Okay.
All right. Outside of our office, you can find the parking lot around our company. We have a lot of parking lot available. Mhm.
So this is the last part that I highly recommended of our company. So our company really focus on the sustainability. So I highly recommended the solar panel of our company. Take a look here. So at the top of my company, we have the solar cells. So it's reduce a lot of cost of electricity. So it's highly sustainable because we get the electric from the sunrise. And this is our company. Yeah, Rainforest says, thank you so much.